পিকিদে সরকার হায়ার ইংলিশ গ্রামার বুকে দেওয়া এক্সারসাইজ নাম্বার 77টা আমি সলভ করছি। এটা একজন ভিউয়ার্স আমাকে রিকোয়েস্ট করেছিলেন, আমি বলেছিলাম যে এইটা আমি সলভ করে দেব। ভিউয়ার্সের রিকোয়েস্টেই এইটা সলভ করছি। ভালো লাগলে লাইক, সাবস্ক্রাইব, শেয়ার, কমেন্ট করবে। দেখা যাক। Exercise 77 A. Convert the following complex sentences to simple one by changing noun clause. নাউন ক্লজ দেওয়া আছে, চেঞ্জ করে সিম্পল করতে হবে। ঠিক আছে। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 1, I do not know where he was born. I do not know the place of his birth. Question number 2, he told me what his name was. He told me his name. He reported that the man had died. He reported the man's death. He confessed that he had committed the crime. He confessed his crime. Number 5, can you make out what he says? Can you make out his speech? I pray that he may be successful in life. I pray for his success in life. Number 7, I believe that he is innocent. I believe in his innocence. সেন্স দেখো, খেয়াল করবে এগুলো। নাম্বার 8, it is reported that he has stood first in the examination. Reportedly, he has stood first in the examination. Question number 9, that he is clever is admitted by all. His cleverness is admitted by all. ঠিক আছে, এগুলো করলাম। এবার নাম্বার বি, convert the following complex sentences to simple one by changing the adjective clause. অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ক্লজগুলোকে চেঞ্জ করে সিম্পল সেন্টেন্স করতে হবে। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 1, have you forgotten the help that I gave you? Have you forgotten my help? Number 2, he did not get the letter I wrote to him. He did not get my letter. Number 3, only those boys who are industrious can shine in life. Only the industrious boys can shine in life. Number 4, we must love those who live near us. We must love our neighbors. Number 5, this is the place where he was born. This is the place of his birth. Number 6, I have nothing that I can do. I have nothing to do. Number 7, the power which money gives is great. The power of money is great. Number 8, he has no friend to whom he can go. He has no friend to go to. Question number C, 77 exercise, convert the following complex sentences to simple one by changing adverb clauses. অ্যাডভার্ব ক্লজগুলোকে চেঞ্জ করে সিম্পল সেন্টেন্সে করতে হবে। ঠিক আছে। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 1, he acted as a wise man does. He acted wisely. Question number 2. I would have died if you had not helped me. Without your help, I would have died. Question number 3. As he will ill, he did not attend school that day. He did not attend school that day owing to his illness. Question number 4. You can never succeed unless you work hard. Without hard work, you can never succeed. Question number 5. He came after I had left the meeting. He came after my leaving the meeting. Question number 6. Though he is poor, he is honest. In spite of his in spite of being poor, he is honest. Question number 7. He was so excited that he could not speak. He was too excited to speak. Question number 8. When my father died, I was left helpless. On my father's death, I was left helpless. Question number 9. He is pleased that you have succeeded. He is pleased to hear about your success. Question number 10. He was astonished when he got the news. He was astonished to get the news. Question number D. Convert the following complex sentences to simple ones in any way you like. Noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause, যে কোনো ক্লজই দেওয়া থাক তোমাকে সিম্পল সেন্টেন্সে কনভার্ট করতে বলেছি। ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন, I am so tired that I can't walk. Answer, I am too tired to walk. Question number 2, he desired that I should go there. He desired me to go there. Question number 3, I wished that you should go to school. I wished you to go to school. Number 4, that he will fail is certain. He will certainly fail. 5, he received orders that he should start at once. He received orders to start at once. Number 6, when he entered the room, he found it empty. On entering the room, he found it empty. Question number 7, it is not known when he will arrive. The time of his arrival is not known. Question number 8, what he spoke on that occasion was unworthy of him. His speech on that occasion was unworthy of him. Question number 9, a pupil who works hard may win a prize. A hard-working people may win a prize. Question number 10, that is the place where he was buried. That is the place of his burial. Question number 11, I told him that he should be brief. I told him to be brief. Question number 12, it so happened that I was present there. I happened to be present there. Question number 13, as the judge has already decided the case, further defense is useless. The case being already decided by the judge, further defense is useless. Number 14, the opinion you have formed of me is unjust. Your opinion of me is unjust. Question number 15, It is generally believed that he died by poison. According to general belief, he died by poison. Question number 16. The explanation they offer cannot be true. Their explanation cannot be true. When, question number 17, when the teacher is absent, the boys generally make a noise. In the teacher's absence, the boys generally make a noise. Thank you.